students, in this video we will do the question answers, that is comprehension part of lesson number 14 to the new year. So let's start. A. Answer the following question. Number 1 question. Who does the poet address to in the poem? Answer is, the poet addresses to the new year in the poem. किसको address कर रहा है poet? New year को. Then second, what does the poet long to be in the beginning of the poem? पोएम की शुरुआत में पोएट क्या चाहता था? He wants to be like a child. So answer, in the beginning of the poem, the poet longs to be a child throughout his life. I repeat, in the beginning of the poem, the poet longs to be a child throughout his life. Next question, why does the poet want to open all windows and doors? The poet सारी windows और doors को क्यों खोलना चाहता था? To allow light in every nooks and corner. So answer, the poet wants to open all the windows and doors to allow light in every nook and corner. He wants to remove darkness with the love of light. So this is the answer. So write down all the answers and complete your work. So I hope you have read this passage carefully and completed it well. And here I have given you homework also. What is this? In this circle, certain words are given over here and some relevant other words are also there. So you have to write them. Given below is a circle having a few words in this poem. In the poem, words outside the circle have been used with the words given inside the circle. तो आपको इनको मैच करके वर्ड्स फॉर्म करना है. जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन ओवर हेयर. First one, niches and nooks. Now have a look at the next words. Rose. Rose is relevant to which word? Rose and birds. So आपको ये words दिए हुए हैं. कुछ words circle के अंदर और जो पोएम में भी words यूज हुए हैं वो दिए हैं. तो इनको लेके आपको पेयर बना के कुछ words को फॉर्म करना. So do it by yourself. Next, choose the correct alternatives. First one, the poet wants to drive out the darkness with, first option, the light of sun, the light of moon, the light of love. Correct answer is the light of love. तो poet darkness को किससे दूर करना चाहता था? With the light of love. Now next, the poet wants to be the infant friend of the rosebirds of goodness, bright stars, temple of life. तो क्या है आंसर? rosebirds of goodness. The poet infant friend किसका बनना चाहता था? Of the rosebirds of goodness. Next, the poet wants to be dash at the golden threshold of the temple of life. First option, childlike, a sacred sentinel, stars. The correct answer is a sacred sentinel. तो poet क्या चाहता था? He wants to be a sacred sentinel at the golden threshold of the temple of life. Means वो पोएट लाइफ को किसकी तरह कंपेयर कर रहा था? टेम्पल ऑफ लाइफ, मंदिर को, मंदिर की तरह. तो ही सेइंग जो जीवन है हमारा मंदिर की तरह, तो वो उसका क्या बनना चाहता था? अ सेक्रेड सेंटिनल, एक पवित्र गार्ड. सेंटिनल मीन्स गार्ड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, these all are the answers. So do it in your copy and complete your work.